Who exactly am I?
The Father is a 2020 drama film co-written and directed by Florian Zeller, based on his 2012 play, Père. The film stars Anthony Hopkins, Olivia Colman, Gatiss, Imogen Poots, Rufus Sewell, and Olivia Williams, and follows an aging Welshman who must deal with his progressing memory loss. The Father had its world premiere at the Sundance Film Festival on January 27, 2020, and will be released on the United Kingdom on June 11, 2021. The film received acclaim from critics, who lauded Hopkins and Colman's performances and praised its depiction of dementia. At the 78th Golden Globe Awards, the film received 4 nominations, including Best Motion Picture Drama. In the United States, the film will begin a limited release in New York City and Los Angeles on 26th of February, before expanding on 12th of March and then being available for PVOD starting 26th of March.
What painting?
Believe me, there's something funny going on. Has anyone seen my watch? It's been stolen.
No, it hasn't.
What do you mean, no, it hasn't? It's been going on for some time.
It's me.
Anne! Strange things going on around us. What is this nonsense? Where's Anne?
What are you talking about?
Where is she?
I'm here.
Writing for Variety, Owen Gleiberman said, "The Father does something that few movies about mental deterioration in old age have brought off in quite this way, or this fully. It places us in the mind of someone losing his mind, and it does so by revealing that mind to be a place of seemingly rational and coherent experience."
You had your pills.
Can I ask you a question? How much longer do you intend to hang around here, ruining your daughter's life?
Who are you, exactly? What about me?
Dad.
On This Day event is an educational project. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.